Breaking news, Nigerians. This feud between the Rivers State Governor Fubara and his estranged godfather, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, have degenerated further. Fubara told Wike that the state was for nobody's enterprise. Yes, Governor Fubara replied Wike by saying that it is only the empty container that makes the loudest noise. Fubara stated that he doesn't need anybody to stand with him once he's doing the right thing. He denied the allegations by his predecessor and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, that there was a state-sponsored attempt to bomb the venue of the Grand Civic Reception by the Rivers Ijaw People's Council at a rainbow town in Port Harcourt on Saturday in his honor. Governor Fubara of Rivers State has revealed that God has left all those people saying that he will fail. That's why they keep on failing and will continue to fail in their evil agenda. Fubara stated that he doesn't need anybody whatsoever to stand with him once he knows, yes, he's doing the right thing. He denied all the allegations by Wike, stating that he sponsored the attempt, to bomb a venue in Port Harcourt where the Ijaw people held, a reception in his honor. On Saturday, it was reported that Wike boasted that all his political enemies put together, nobody can fight him, maintaining he was too big for that. The governors elected on the platform of the People's Democratic Party had declared their support for Governor Fubara following the protracted political struggle between Wike and Fubara. Wike, during the event, talked about the PDP governors, saying that some persons are going to television to attack him. Where were they when we made an Ijaw governor? Nobody is fighting him because he knows that he is far, far too big for anybody to fight. So, let nobody threaten anybody. All these threats are empty. Soon we shall know who is relevant. But in what appeared as a response to Wike's bragging, Governor Fubara stated that at this point, it is only the empty vessel that makes the loudest noise. That God will keep on failing the enemies of Rivers State. Speaking during the interdenominational church Thanksgiving service organized as part of the activities to mark the 64th Independence Day celebration of Nigeria at a St. Paul's Cathedral of the Anglican Communication at Garrison Junction in Port Harcourt on Sunday, he told the congregation that he will not give his kidney, neither will he give his liver to anybody. If that is the only reason for him to be loyal, he won't do that. He will not do the wrong thing. He will always stand on the side of right. And I really hope people see reason with Fubara. Although Fubara made a jab at Wike where he stated that he is building a general hospital, which also includes a psychiatric hospital. And he is doing this in the Ikwere local government area. That is in Wike's local government, that the people in Ikwere are going to need it very soon. That very, very soon they will need it. Although we know that for long, Fubara has been a quiet person. He has been calm, quiet, regardless of Wike's threats whatsoever. But Fubara is beginning to give Wike back, Fubara is beginning to make Wike have a taste of his own medicine. He said that the enemies of the state will not succeed. He also said that he is still a member of the PDP despite the ongoing crisis and appealed to the people to maintain peace during the incoming local government elections in the state. That's to say that the local government elections will hold no matter what any court says. The elections will surely hold. Yes, because the date has been fixed and there is no going back on this. it will hold no matter what. But then Fubara used style and addressed Wike, saying that only the empty container makes the loudest noise, because of Wike's recent braggings that he would teach Fubara how to play politics. He will do this to Fubara, he will do that to Fubara. And I'm wondering, where is Wike going with all of this? I mean, all these things are just earthly struggles. If Wike should close his eyes today and not wake up the next day, all these battles are over. Nobody will pick up this battle for him. Nobody will continue this fight for him. So why is he bent on fighting the people of Rivers State? Fighting their governor in turn? Fighting everything that has to do with peace in Rivers? It is not fair. Wike should let Rivers to breathe, at least for the meantime. He should let Rivers people to breathe, because all these things is really affecting Rivers people. And some of them have, disliked Wike because of his recent behaviors and his characters. Some people have disliked Wike in Rivers State. Some persons are no longer supporting him. Wike has a lot of supporters in Rivers, so that is no doubt. He does have a lot of supporters. But then, the main Rivers people gone, all they want is peace. And they want Wike to leave Fubara, to focus and work in the state as a governor. He cannot be fighting the ex-governor and still, be doing things in the state. He has to focus. So Wike should let him focus, at least for now. Even Fubara has said it himself. He will not give his kidney, neither will he give his liver to remain in that office. If Wike says, okay, Fubara, he will not support Fubara in his 2027 governorship re-election, that one is left for Wike and God to answer. Yes, it is left for Wike and his conscience. But if the people of Rivers State come 2027 says, no, we must vote Fubara in, depends on what he has done. So Fubara should also leave all these things. These are distractions, and focus on Rivers people, because the people will be the one to determine who, would lead them. Because if Wike should come tomorrow and bring another candidate to replace Fubara, and the people says no, what is Wike going to do? He's not going to kill them. He won't do anything. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comment section. Thank you.